Hey folks, Ted here today with Exped. We have the Exped DownMat UL7. DownMat UL7 is a beautiful ultralight mat with a full R value of 5.9. This is a lightweight package that you would take on any 4-season trip or any time that you want to have maximum thermal value underneath you. If you're a cold sleeper and you need ultralight, this is the product you want to work with. There are basically 4 components to this whole setup. One is the pump sack. I'm going to show you that a little bit later on. It's called the schnozzle pump bag. You've got the mat. All of our mats come with repair kits, and of course the little storage stuff sack. Now if you're a real ultralighter, you put this one away. Always take the repair kit with you, but the mat is the special thing. This is what's going to keep you warm out there. Using our 20 denier fabric, this is the size medium. I'm going to lay this out so you can see how this works. 7 centimeters thick, 20 inches wide, and this is a beautiful product. It's filled with our 700 fill down, and as with all of our mats, we like to go ahead and inflate them, but we like to inflate them without blowing into the mats, because when you blow into the mat, you tend to put a lot of other humidity into the inside of it, which is never a good thing in any mat, especially when you're working with down. What's beautiful about the way that Exped has put this together is that we use our traditional flat valves. We use the inflate valve and the deflate valve. When I want to inflate the mat, I'm going to go ahead and open up the valve. I'm going to take the schnozzle bag right here, and I'm going to take the valve and just snap it on. Snaps on real positive, it holds on really well. And what you'll notice is that this bag right here, also a 20 denier ultralight fabric, is a super gossamer fabric. And when I hold it up like this, you can see it just wants to float away in the wind. If I take it, I give it a quick breath of air, you can see it blows up really nicely like so. And now I'm going to go ahead and just squeeze this big pillow of air right into the mat. And you can see how easily and how quickly it inflates. I'm just going to go ahead and squeeze it all the way into the mat, kneel on it all the way through. And if you're having issues with it sliding around, you'll notice that on the back side there's actually a little loop that I could go ahead and put my foot onto right here, hook my toe into it, lock it on the back side. Again, open up the stuff sack, give it a quick breath of air like so, give it a few rolls, and now just go ahead and squeeze the air right on into the mat. And with 2 or even 3, in this case it's 2 breaths of air, I've got a nice good firm mat. I unplug the schnozzle bag, lock it down, and my mat is ready to sleep on, all set to work with. Now, a few other things. This is an ultralight product. The UL schnozzle bag is also an ultralight product. I would go ahead and store my sleeping bag in this, keep it nice and lightweight. Since it's a waterproof fabric and it's fully taped, and it's got a roll down closure, I can go ahead and put my sleeping bag in there, roll it down nice and snug, clap this shut, and I've got basically a short pack liner or a waterproof sleeping bag stuff sack. Most importantly, however, I've got a super warm, super light mat.